Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths chapter number system exercise 1b. So today we will start with question number 6 because question number 6 to 17 is in our syllabus. So question number 6 is, these questions are very easy. Question number 6 is, a cricket player has so far scored 17,849 runs in the test matches. How much he has scored? This marks. He wishes to complete this runs, he has scored this runs and उसकी wish है कि वो 10,000 जो है complete करे. How many runs does he need? उसको और कितने runs की ज़रूरत है? He has already made this he is wishing. तो कितना require है? टोटल में से इसको subtract कर दोगे, that will be the number that is required to complete the target. So as per a question, total runs scored this, he wishes to complete this, runs required. How much runs are required to complete the target? 10,000 minus 7,849. So now we will subtract it. So after subtraction you will get this much amount, like these runs are required to complete the target. So 2151 means 2151 is your required answer. Question number 7, the statement is, in an election, two candidates A and B are the only contestants. There are two contestants in the election, that is A and B. If candidate A scored 9,32,567 votes and candidate B scored 9,235 votes, by how much margin did A win or lose the election? The votes of A is this, votes of B is this. He said by how much margin did A win or lose. पहले तो हमने ये बताना कि A win करा है या lose हुआ है. A का बेटा जो votes है ना वो इतनी है, B की इतनी है. Which is the greater number? You can easily tell this. This is the greater number ना. So A win the margin with how much? A won the election with how much votes, with how much margin, that we have to find. So we will subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and you will get the answer. So as per the question, these are the statements. Votes scored by candidate A is this, votes scored by candidate B is this, as I have told you. So as per the scores, we can write as A has scored more votes, so he won the election, right? He has scored more votes and he won the election. Now as per the second question asked in the question, that is with how much margin. So simply you can write A and A here, or if you want to write candidate A, that is also right. Candidate A won the election by margin. How do we find it? We will subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So we will subtract it. You will get right this. This is the required answer. With this margin, 32,332 votes, candidate A won the election. Question number 8 is, find the difference between the largest and smallest 5-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits without repeating any digits. As we have done in exercise 1a, beta, we have already learned it that how to write smallest or the largest 5-digit number by the given numbers and without repeating any. So firstly we will write the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number. So we can write greatest number, that will be 65321. 65321. And the smallest number is 12356. Now as per question we have to find its difference. So difference is, so now we will subtract it by borrowing the number, not borrowing in that sense beta, by borrow them. We will borrow the number कि एक number यहाँ से इधर ले जाएंगे. Borrowing in not in that sense. So after subtracting you will get 52,965. That is your required answer. Next questions we'll do in next video. Thank you.